Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries, and in recent years, it has gained widespread popularity for its numerous benefits. In this video, we'll explore some of the benefits of meditation and why you should consider incorporating it into your daily routine. Before then, subscribe to Wonder Motion YouTube channel and win giveaways. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common problems that many people face. Meditation is an excellent way to combat these problems. It has been shown to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation, leading to a better overall sense of well-being. Meditation also has physical benefits. It can lower blood pressure, improve immune function, and decrease inflammation in the body. Additionally, it has been linked to reduced symptoms of chronic pain and improved sleep quality. Another benefit of meditation is that it can improve mental clarity and focus. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can increase gray matter in the brain, which is associated with memory, learning, and decision-making. Meditation can also improve emotional well-being by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. It can increase self-awareness and compassion, leading to a more positive outlook on life. One of the great things about meditation is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need any special equipment or a particular location to practice meditation. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes each day. In conclusion, meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can have a significant impact on your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or simply find a sense of peace and relaxation, meditation is a great tool to have in your toolbox. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you? How can you incorporate meditation into your daily routine?